Hi, welcome to Mad Machine. Fasten your seatbelts, brace yourselves, and don't forget to grab some snacks for an even more enjoyable experience while watching this video. In this video, you'll see how massive trees in the forest are taken down. These giant machines are doing the heavy lifting, chopping down trees like it's no big deal. So, stick around till the end of the video to check out these badass tree-cutting beasts in action. Enjoy! The first one. Tracked Feller Buncher. This is one heavy-duty machine made for managing trees in the forest. Super cool stuff. What does it do? It cuts down massive trees and stacks them up neatly, like playing pro-level Tetris. Speed? Top-notch. Jobs that used to take forever get done in no time with this beast. Plus, it's got tracks like a tank. So no slipping or sinking, even on steep or muddy terrain. Pretty solid, right? Bottom line, the Tracked Feller Buncher is the modern cheat code for fast, efficient, and safe logging. Total game changer for forestry work? Super badass, bro! Next, Komatsu PC210. The Komatsu PC210 is a versatile excavator that never disappoints, bro. It's perfect for all kinds of projects, from construction and mining to earth-moving jobs. This machine is rock solid, thanks to its sturdy undercarriage and robust chassis. It stays steady and handles tough terrains like a pro. No sweat. Not only is the Komatsu PC210 tough, but it's also fuel efficient, making operations more cost-effective without compromising performance. The Komatsu PC210 is the perfect blend of power, efficiency, and comfort. This machine is ready to crush it on any terrain. Next, Caterpillar 568. The Caterpillar 568 is a heavy-duty logging machine built to crush any challenge the forest throws its way. Designed for extreme tasks like loading massive logs or felling trees in tough terrains, it's a beast you can rely on. Its stability is unmatched, thanks to a strong undercarriage and low center of gravity. With wide visibility, operators can work confidently and safely, even in the most difficult conditions. This machine is the total package. Tough, efficient, and comfortable. It's the ultimate solution for uncompromising logging performance. Next, Komatsu XT445L. The Komatsu XT445L is a feller buncher built for mastering extreme terrains. It's a pro when it comes to taking down trees in challenging environments. Its stability is top tier, thanks to a solid undercarriage and low center of gravity. Even on tough, uneven ground, this machine stays steady and reliable. The Komatsu XT445L is the perfect combo of power, comfort, and efficiency. It's a modern solution for logging across all terrains, making tough jobs look easy. Next, Ponce Elephant King Forwarder. The Ponce Elephant King Forwarder is the ultimate king of forwarders, bro. Built to haul heavy timber through extreme terrains without breaking a sweat, its massive load capacity gets the job done faster with fewer trips. Its powerful drivetrain ensures smooth performance even on the toughest trails. Stability unmatched. With active suspension and a rock-solid chassis, this beast stays steady even under full load. The machine is fuel-efficient and eco-friendly, combining maximum performance with cost savings. Maintenance is a snap, with easy access to all critical components. The Ponce Elephant King is hands down the best choice for efficient, comfortable, and fast logging work. This machine is a true champion. Next, John Deere 2154G Swing Machine. The John Deere 2154G Swing Machine is a tough, versatile powerhouse built for forestry work. Whether it's logging, loading, or heavy-duty tasks, this machine delivers without breaking a sweat. Its solid design features a rugged undercarriage that keeps it stable on slopes or muddy terrain. No matter the challenge, this machine stays steady and reliable. The John Deere 2154G is also fuel efficient, keeping operational costs down. It's the perfect mix of strength, efficiency, and comfort. Ideal for anyone looking for a versatile and dependable logging solution. Next, Volvo EC750D. This is a heavyweight excavator that's on a god-tier level. The power? Absolutely brutal. This 75-ton beast packs insanely strong hydraulics. It's not just about raw power, it's efficient too. The chassis is rock solid, bro, so it stays steady even on tough terrains. No shaking, no slipping, just pure stability. The Volvo EC750D is the whole package. Powerful, efficient, comfy, and built to last. It's not just a machine, it's your go-to partner for big projects. Honestly, nothing else comes close. Next, TigerCat H822D. The TigerCat H822D Harvester is a modern logging machine designed for high-precision tree cutting in tough terrains. It's a powerhouse, perfect for dense forests and extreme conditions. What's even better? The H822D is fuel efficient while still delivering top-tier power. Making operations more cost-effective without sacrificing performance. Next, TigerCat LS855E. The LS855E is a harvester built for serious heavy-duty tree cutting in tough terrains. It's crazy strong, like the Hulk in machine form. This beast comes with a super flexible swing boom that lets it cut trees from multiple angles without needing to reposition. Total time saver, bro. Plus, its rock-solid chassis keeps it steady, even on steep or uneven ground. No wobbling, no worries. In short, the TigerCat LS855E is the ultimate combo of power, speed, and comfort. It makes logging easier, faster, and totally safe. Straight up impressive, right? Next, Caterpillar 320 DFM. The Caterpillar 320 DFM is a forest-ready excavator that's as tough as they come, an absolute beast in its class. Its strengths go beyond raw power. With a rock-solid undercarriage and a durable body design, this machine guarantees stability in any condition, no matter how rough the terrain. The Caterpillar 320 DFM is the perfect blend of high performance, durability, and efficiency. It's the ultimate work partner that makes even the toughest jobs feel like a breeze. The massive tree-cutting machines we just saw really show how advanced our technology has become. But does this count as harming nature? On the flip side, let's be real. Without machines like these, there'd be no tables, chairs, or so many other things we use at home. Let's just hope our planet stays safe and sound. So, what do you all think of these machines? Do they really help get the job done? Do they actually make work easier? Drop a comment on which machine you think is the best. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss any new videos from this channel. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.